Okay, this is my scalper. It's cold steel. It's about probably 20 years old. Me and a friend of mine got one of these when we were 19, I think. So it's been around a while. I'm going to sharpen it today. Show a couple of people that had asked how I use a Sharpmaker. One of the things I typically don't do is use this with the corners. I'm going to do it here just because this knife doesn't really need to go back to the coarse stone. It's not very dull. And just going to bring back the razor sharp edge that I like. The first thing I'm going to do is use the corners and raise a burr. The edge, it's hard to tell, but the edge is pretty wide, and it is 12 degrees, and this is a 15-degree slot. So we're going to be doing what's known as a micro bevel. Just that line is all that's going to get sharpened. So here we go. And I do this one side at a time, cut the burr off, flip to the flats, and then sharpen. I just barely have raised a burr. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these to the flat side. Again, this is 15 degrees. It's the shallower setting of the Sharpmaker. And now we'll alternate. I tend to move my body a lot, trying to keep it lined up so I can see the angle with my eye. And that is much improved over what it was. Would easily shave the hair off my arm, and we'll give it a quick test. This is a plastic grocery bag. You see how flimsy it is? And that's just the medium stones, and that's all I'm going to do this on this knife. First of all, my white stone, one of them is broken. That's it. It still works, but I think that suffices to demonstrate what I wanted to do.